Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to explain to you what is dropshipping. I will start by a small introduction where I explain the concept of dropshipping to you. Then I will show you in details how this procedure works. So let's start. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a selling procedure where we make money by selling items we don't actually have or hold. But instead, when our store makes a sale, we purchase the product from a third-party supplier and we send it to our customers. So how it works? The first thing to do is to find a product on Aliexpress. You add this product to your e-commerce platform. In our case, we are going to use Shopify because I think this is the best e-commerce platform ever. Then you have to advertise your product through social media. Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Google Ads, and many others. Through advertising, you will be able to drive traffic to your store. So when orders are placed, you send them to the Aliexpress supplier, and the supplier will deliver them to your customers. And this is it. Let's say you have found a product on Aliexpress that costs $5 plus shipping. You estimate the amount of money you will be paying to advertise. Let's say you need $6 advertising per sale. You decide the amount of profits you want to make. Let's say I want to earn $5 per sale. So you price your product for 5 plus 6 plus 4 for $15. That's how you price your product, calculating your fees and your profit. So what you are actually doing is being the link between the customer and the supplier, and the profit you make it from the difference between the price you put for the product and the real price given by the supplier. I bet you start wondering why you should try dropshipping. There are so many reasons, but let me tell you some of them. First, it has a very high success rate compared to any other online business. I am not saying it is easy, because it's not. But if you work hard and you keep on working, at some point you would get a huge profit. Second, it will get you the freedom of working without a boss. And you can work from any place in the world, and all you need is your laptop and internet. 3, you don't need a huge capital of money to start this business. Actually, most of your work will be done through your laptop from your house. You will have to pay for your store hosting on Shopify for sure, for some apps and applications, and then you will have to pay for your Facebook ads. You will need some money to start, but it's nothing compared to the huge capitals you need to start any other type of business. 4, it's very easy to start working with dropshipping. Because you are linking to other suppliers, you don't have to worry about storing products or shipping them. You just have to work on your laptop. However, succeeding in dropshipping needs dedication and hard work. You might try tenth of products before finding a winner one. But when you find a winner one, it will pay you off. Like any business, it has ups and downs. But what's good about dropshipping is that you don't have to invest a huge capital of money to start this business. So you don't have too much to lose. Before going to the next lecture, I want to explain to you the difference between two types of products you might actually be selling. So as we said before, you bring your product from Aliexpress, and now you will have two options on how to sell these products. Let's see them together. The first option is to sell a free product and the price for shipping. You choose a product from Aliexpress, you calculate how much shipping will cost. Let's say its price plus shipping is $5. So you sell it for free and you will bill shipping for $11, for example. This means you will have a $6 profit. The second option is to find a product and to put a big markup on its price. Let's say you found a product on Aliexpress for $15. You sell it for $40 and you keep the shipping free. With the first option, you will get less profit but it's easy to sell and brings more traffic to your store. The second option gets you more profit, but it's harder to sell. You have to choose between these two options. It's up to you. So now that you became familiar with the concept of dropshipping, and I hope you understood it well, let's go to the next lecture and let's see together what's waiting for us there. Hey you, before leaving, don't forget to review my course. I put so many effort in my courses, so I would really appreciate if you give me a 5 stars rating. Thank you in advance.